L322 Range Rover Power Steering Flush Part 2. This is the reservoir and it should not be in my hand. Let's get started. So I ended up taking the reservoir all out and I cleaned it. That's why it looks nice and shiny. This is probably very important information for you if you're doing this yourself. This is an 8mm hose connector and this is an 8mm hose. The diameter of the hose, of course, is 8mm. This is actually a fuel hose, but it should work for us. So before I put the reservoir in, I want to show you what I did so it's better for the camera. So if you come in here, I put the 8mm connector here and I put the clamp here. Of course, I'm going to connect this one to the reservoir. Yes. But then the cable comes out over here, joint here. This is tight, but I put zip tie just in case, but it's very tight, okay? And then just like before, to the top. Just a quick note, I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in buying it. It is gazillion time better than using this one. Well, this plier, because it locks it and it's easy to work with it. It's not gonna slip out, especially in a tight area like this. You can buy it or not, it's up to you. If you want your life, you know, easy life, buy this one. Okay, so here you go. I put the hose back in and I plugged the reservoir like I said, yes. And this is connected. Now I just have to put this one back in here. In original place, yeah? In original place, yeah. Actually, I have an idea. Before we start the car, let's turn the ignition on, not the engine, just the ignition on, and see if we can turn the steering wheel so it sucks some of the fluid in, because I don't want to run the pump and the stuff dry. Let's see if I broke anything or not. So the three things I mentioned in the previous video I'm worried about is the rack, the pump, and the lines. If it's leaking, we're gonna test it all now and see how it works. 4 days later and the job's still not finished. Yes, you are watching me 4 days later. The makeshift cable or the makeshift pipe that I put to plug the reservoir, it was leaking. And I really wanted to get this right on the camera. This is the third day to do the job. Yes. A simple job is taking me 3 days. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Anyway, professional, huh? No, I'm not professional. Just remember, I'm not professional. So it's only for entertainment, but this is the situation. I bought this hose, which is the diameter of it is 9.5. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yep. Hoping that I can plug the reservoir with this rather than the makeshift pipe or hose that I put. So while the camera was off, I put the new hose, I plugged it in and it raised it higher than the funnel so the fluid doesn't come out, because there's no pressure or anything like that. It's just so the fluid doesn't leak basically. But I plugged it here at the end anyway. So what I'm going to do, actually, I raised the car, you can see. I skipped on the carton idea. I'm gonna raise the car and I'm gonna move the wheels left and right so many times to pump the fluid out without turning the car on. So only the ignition on, but without turning the engine on. So I'm not gonna run the pump because I want to make sure all the fluid is inside and there's no air inside. Turn it actually to the left, slowly.
Okay, to the left.
Yeah, and I'm looking at the fluid here, seeing if it's going down. Yes, I can see the fluid is going down, so that's good news. I can see it here is going down. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Over there. That's good news. That means air is escaping. And the fluid is going in. Okay, let's see if anything coming out. Oh yes, so we can see it's coming out. See here, it's coming out. Okay, so we'll do 3 liters till we see green out. Okay, and we'll turn the cameras back on. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep turning the wheels left and right till we see green.
Yeah,
perfect, let's do it. So as you can see here, it's getting filled and some green fluid is starting to come out, but we are continue on doing it because I don't know where this green is, it left or right or what's going on. I'm going to keep on doing it till we finish 3 liters as discussed. So we're on the 2nd liter at the moment. So we flushed 3 liters so far, and this is the situation here. Green definitely start to come out, and you can see even the water started to the fluid start to change color. So what I'm going to ask Alex now, there's a fluid here, reservoir full. I'm going to ask Alex to quickly, Alex, turn it on and off as quick as you can. This way we're gonna get the fluid coming into the pump and turn it off immediately. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my eye here. Well, there's not much I can do here, but let's take a look at here. Okay, Alex, turn on and off as quick as possible. Off. Perfect. So I have Alex now in the car. We have a camera there and we have a camera over there. And what we're going to do, this reservoir is filled. I'm going to follow the workshop manual, which is turn on the car and turn the steering wheel. Stop, stop, stop. Let's do one more time. Go. Stop, stop, stop. Perfect. Perfect. The fuel drops, the fluid, sorry, drops really quick. And we've made a mess here again.
That was one revolution.
One revolution. Okay, we made a mess here a lot. But it is what it is. We asked Alex, thank you Alex for your help in this video, by the way. We asked her to turn the wheels again left and right with the pump off and everything off, just to almost empty the reservoir, not fully empty, just almost empty the reservoir, because I'm gonna do some work here. Of course, I'm gonna put everything back to normal. So I'm going to disconnect this hose first. Yeah, disconnect this hose, and then disconnect this hose, which is the one I plugged the reservoir with, and put everything back in place. So I just wanted to show you, if you remember, this is the first bit of fluid when we took out. Look how dirty it is. It's not even red, it's black. Yeah, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Is it showing it's black?
It's like maroon.
Yeah, yeah. So, and this one is mixed with green and red. I don't know if you can tell here, it's a bit of redness here. Yeah. And if you remember, which will bring a shot now of how it is green. We'll put 3 pictures next to each other for you to see how different. So it was well worth it. And this is my 5th liter. I'm going to fill the reservoir to max. We'll turn the car on and see how it goes. Will it work? Will it not work? I don't know. Let's see how it works. Fill it to max.
Done?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick.
That's max. That's about 400 liters.
400 liters?
400 milliliters.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's turn the car back on and see what happens. I really don't know what's going to happen at this stage.
Should we turn the car on while it's back?
Yes, we'll turn it on while Jack, just in case we need to move. Let's move the wheels a little bit and see if it drops. If it does drop, we'll just keep adding till and then top it up, keep topping up till we reach to max. Okay. Let's see what happens. I really don't know what's going to happen next. Let's not try to predict what's going to happen. Let's give it a try. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Let's turn it on. Stop. Okay, it dropped a lot. So now I'm gonna have to fill it more. Let's fill it more and see what happens next. It's like it's full of foam. It's very hard to see at the moment. Not sure why.
Maybe the liquid.
Oh, it is full actually. It is full, yeah. Okay, that's enough, but there's a lot of foam.
Yeah.
That's why. Let's see if we move the wheels. Alex, can you move the wheel left and right? Yeah, let's move the wheels and see, and then fill it a bit more. Let's move the wheels and then fill it a bit more.
Without the engine on?
No, without the engine on, just move the wheels.
Okay, move.
Okay, look how much we used from the liter. So, yeah. So actually we need 5 liters, not 4 liters. 4 to flush and 1 at the end, I think. I think that's how it should be. Always get 1 more liter just in case. But this is how much left, 200 mil. So what we're going to do, put the car down, go for a drive and see if we need to fill more or to remove. So we're going to take some of the tools with us. So since it's getting darker, it's getting colder, so I put my hoodie on. But we filled to the correct level. We're going to go for a drive now, and we're going to turn left and right, turn left and right a lot. And we're going to go into a level surface, and we've got some of the tools with us. We've got the fluid, and we've got the syringe and the tub, the small tub, is a jar, the measuring jug. Yeah. And we're gonna make sure that it's level. So we'll go on level surface, make sure it's max level. Let's go and see what's gonna happen. I hope we didn't break anything. We're still not confirmed yet. Let's do it. 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to
set the rewind.
So now we are at self car wash. We are going to wash the engine because of all of the mess and liquid that came out, and so let's do it. Let's to put foam. It's working, yeah, that's good. Put here, plenty here. Wow, that's hot. I can feel it. And here, it came here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you can see the steam.
Yeah. Engine is clean. Oh, I don't have to worry about it. That it could damage the paintwork, the cables and stuff like that. So I'm glad I did that. I really am glad I did that. So you can hear the noise behind me because we are in a car park. Where we are at Lidl car park. So we know it's a level surface, and of course, I get it right from the first time from home. I don't need to be here, but I'm here for you. It's just to confirm that it is on max line. See? It's on max line, yes. Just like a professional, you know. Yeah. Or why just like? I am a professional, isn't it? I only break the engine twice, but yeah, it's 3 days to do this.
Simple job.
Simple job is, I think, is too much. But anyway, once you see it's on max line, and only then, there's one thing for you to do is to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.